On the face of it, Conserve's mission is conceptually simple: to reverse the loss of protected areas outside of national parks across Africa by ensuring that these landscapes deliver lasting value for people. But if delivering this mission was easy, then it would have been done before. What sets Conserve apart is our belief in 4 mutually reinforcing building blocks that will enable us to deliver our mission at scale. And these building blocks are not standalone, and the success of the model depends on delivering them all. The recovery of wildlife populations, positive shifts in livelihood indicators, improved skill levels among staff, and increased local participation in natural resource governance are all critical checkpoints along the journey to success. Our single biggest challenge, however, is to rigorously test the assumption that our entire integrated model is sound. And to do this, the organisation needs to understand the interplay between the building blocks and determine if intentional connections help to unlock deeper impact in the most efficient way possible. This challenge is made even more complex against a backdrop of shifting and lengthy timeframes, where the moving parts don't work in lockstep, and where a setback in one part of the model will have knock-on effects on others. Our master plan is a clearly articulated and interlinked theory of change that identifies critical assumptions, finds ways to regularly test them, and allows for swift course correction if needed. This agility is something we prize and will be key in being able to deliver impact at scale. We are extremely inspired and excited to continue this journey alongside experts, partners, and supporters with agility and a commitment